6.6. Question number 1. Find. In this question you have to multiply. So the multiplication is of decimal numbers. Okay. So it is very easy. See how to multiply this. 6 means we have to multiply in the general way. And just main thing is here that you have to put the decimal properly. So where to put the decimal point? Listen to that carefully. Okay. So see 6 2s are 12, 1 carry. 6 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1. See here from the rightmost side, see. You have to see from the rightmost side. So the decimal is after 1 digit. So from rightmost side, put the decimal after 1 digit. This is the answer. So now next, 8 into 4.6. Multiply this. 8 6 are 48, 4 carry. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. The decimal is after 1 digit. So after 1 digit you have to put the decimal point. Now next, third, 2.71 multiplied by 5. So multiply this. 5 1s are 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 and 3 carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Now see from the rightmost side. I am repeating again. Check from the rightmost side. The decimal is after 1, 2 and then decimal. 1, 2 and then decimal. So similarly in the answer. 1, 2 and then decimal. Okay. Now next, 4. 20.1 is multiplied by 4. So how you will do this? 4 1s are 4. 4 zeros are 0 and 4 2s are 8. You have to put the decimal point from the rightmost side. After 1 digit decimal is there. So from the rightmost side, after 1 digit means after 80.4. And next, 0.05 multiplied by 7. So 7 5s are 35, 3 carry. 7 zeros are 0 plus 3 is 3. 7 zeros are 0. From the rightmost side, decimal is after 1, 2 and then decimal. So here 1, 2 and then decimal. So this is your final answer. In this way you can solve. These were easy sums, so I have solved here orally. If the numbers are large, so you can solve in this way. For example, this 0.05 into 7. You can also solve in this way. Okay, that is our regular method. Okay, the numbers were small, so that's why I have solved here orally. This is the second example. It is word problem. See, I have written the given things here. In this question, length is given to you, that is 5.7 centimeter, and breadth is also given to you, and that is 3 centimeter. And what is asked in this question is, you have to find the area of rectangle. Okay, so you have to write here the formula to find area of rectangle. So that is, we know that. What we know that? Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to what? Length multiplied by breadth. Don't get confused here. To find the perimeter of rectangle, the formula is 2 multiplied by into bracket length plus breadth. And here it is asked area, not perimeter. So for area, the formula is length multiplied by breadth. So substitute the value of length and breadth here. So value of length is 5.7 centimeter multiplied by breadth is 3 centimeter. Now multiply this. 3 7s are 21, or for your understanding I am solving in the general way. But you have to solve this in your rough page. Okay. Don't show this multiplication. No need to show this. 3 7s are 21. 2 carry. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 70. Okay. Now you have to put the decimal point. See, after 1 digit there is decimal. So put after 1 digit decimal from the rightmost side. So the answer is 17.1. But what? Centimeter or square centimeter. Always keep in mind, area is always measured in square units. Okay, area is always measured in square units. So the answer is centimeter square. Okay, or you can write 17.1 square centimeter. This is also correct. You can prefer any method. In any way you can write, but you should write area in square units. Okay. Now we are going to start third question. We have to multiply here, but see here the numbers decimals are getting multiplied by 10, 100 and 1000. So how to multiply them? So keep this in mind. Whatever I am telling to you, listen it carefully. Whenever you are going to multiply any decimal number by 10, okay, whenever you are going to multiply any decimal number by 10, then shift the decimal towards right by 1 digit. Okay, shift the decimal towards right by 1 digit. So see, this is 30, 1.3 into 10. So what is the answer? You have to shift the decimal towards right by 1 digit. So this is decimal, shift here after 3 and this is 0. Okay, 13.0. Now next, 36.8 multiplied by 10. So write down first 368. Okay, and multiplying by 10, so shift the decimal by 1 digit towards right. तो यहाँ पे 8 है, 8 के बाद एक डिजिट शिफ्ट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? पॉइंट, और यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं तो 0. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट 153.7. So write down this as it is first. Right. Okay, the decimal shift towards right by 1 digit. So after this 7 you will put the decimal, and here after 7 nothing is there, so write 0. Similarly here, first of all write down this as it is, multiplied by 10, so shift the decimal by 1 digit towards right. So this is 0, means this, the decimal is here, so it will come after this 0, shifting towards right by 1 digit. So this is 0. This is the answer for this. Next, 31.1 multiplied by 100. Now the decimal is getting multiplied by 100. So for 10, we were going to multiply, we were going to shift by 1 digit towards right. And now for 100, we are going to shift by 2 digits towards right. So how you will do this? 311 as it is, and you have to shift by 2 digits. So this is 1, means यहाँ पे डेसिमल है, डेसिमल के बाद 1 डिजिट ऑलरेडी है, और आपको 2 डिजिट से राइट की तरफ शिफ्ट करना है और फिर डेसिमल देना है. सो हाउ यू विल डू? डेसिमल के बाद सिर्फ एक ही डिजिट है, तो 1 more 0 and this 0. So this is the answer. 1561 as it is, 100 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, shift the decimal towards right by 2 digits. So see, डेसिमल के बाद 1 डिजिट है और एक डिजिट चाहिए, तो सी यहाँ पे 0 लिख के 0.0. So this is the answer. Now it is multiplying by 1000. So similarly, जैसे कि 10 के लिए we were shifting by 1, for 100 we were shifting by 2 towards right. Now for 1000 we are shifting by 3 towards right, means after 3 digits. So this is, यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद ऑलरेडी 2 डिजिट है, हमें सिर्फ 3 डिजिट चाहिए. सो व्हाट यू विल डू हियर? 0, 3 as it is and 10.00. मीन्स ये डेसिमल के बाद ये 2 डिजिट तो है, वो लिखे थे हमने एज इट इज, और एक डिजिट चाहिए तो हमने 0 लिखा, और फिर हमने डेसिमल डाला, पॉइंट यहाँ पे मेंशन किया. ओके, सो दिस इज 30.00. दिस इज द आंसर. Means these are the tricks to remember how to multiply the decimal when it is getting multiplied by 10, 100 and 1000 and so on.